Hello friends, so yes, I'm back again, and yes, today it's a blog. So I will be showing you a land which is to be cultivated. I will be telling you about, I will be showing and telling you about terrace cultivation. So, and I will be talking there with a person as well. So stay tuned with me. I will see you in a couple of minutes. So as you can see here, this is a big land where farming is about to take place. They are plowing the land, and yes, I will go there and talk to a person who will tell us everything about what's going on and why is it going on. It's a big land, but it is not singly owned, but it is collective farming. So this land doesn't belong to one single person, but it rather belongs to a like group of villages. So they will be farming it, and if we look into it, then it's hard to tell, like which part of the land belongs to whom. And there's and some of the people are using modern tools, as you see, hand tractor, but there are plenty of people, as you can see, are using still bullock cart. I'll try to zoom in. As I already told you, there are certain people who are using modern tools of farming, and like they are using hand tractor, and yes, there are people who are using bullock carts as well. If I zoom it, then I think I will be able to see it. So this is a very good thing, a nice thing to see, because uh, this is what we expected when we came to know about farming, right? So see, if I show you the land out here, then you would not believe it's a single piece of land, but owned by a group of villagers. And I'll show you something. There is a monkey up there who is trying to grab those bananas, and auntie out there is trying to chase the monkey. I'll show you the monkey as well. Let's see. There are these monkeys who are trying to go there. For those who don't know what this machine is, this is a hand tractor. Look at the wheels spinning. The wheels are actually made of metal which spins, and while taking home you can fix the tire. So it gives a good mileage, it gives a good mileage. The best part of this farming process is that they don't use artificial manure, fertilizer you call it, but they use traditional fertilizers, which is cow dung in India. So this is the best fertilizer. We call it organic. So I will show you that as well. Just give me a minute. If you can see, there is a step. There's a step. Can you see? One layer, two layer, and three layers are there. And if I show you this side, there are more layers to it. There are more layers to it. Can you see? The land is actually slanting. The land is actually slanting, and that is what it makes beautiful, you know, land. That is what it makes beautiful, like the view makes really beautiful. And yes, behind these trees and behind that greenhouse is also big plot of land which is also owned by villagers here, and it's really wonderful to see all this. If you can see this, it's a cow dung and it has already been spreaded in the field, see. So now when this decomposes, it becomes the best kind of manure that you expect or you can expect. So this is cow dung mixed with some straw. And yes, I will advertise you a little bit of tractor, but this tractor is not paying me anything. So see, the land plowed by the tractor is this. So it is really nice. See, you can see it. It's really nice. It's really nice. And yes, I forgot to tell you one thing. Uttarakhand is known as Devbhoomi. So wherever you go in 10 meters or like 20 meters, you are going to find a temple like this, which is small. This is a village temple. But if you go to markets or cities, you'll find a big temple there. Ancient temples, like the temple that we find in South India. You know that the structure is same kind of a thing. The rocks used are same. So now we are going to talk to Khati sir as to what it is. We are going to just find it out. So okay, the person that I am going to introduce to you is my colleague. We teach in the same school, but he owns the field, so he has to farm. Okay, so let's go to sir and we'll ask him some questions. Would you mind to tell me something about this terrace farming and like why is it done, or which crop is going to be there?
It's a wheat, I don't know wheat.
Wheat?
Yes.
This is a season for wheat?
Yeah, wheat.
Okay, winter, yes.
Winter season.
Yes.
This is cultivators.
This is a machine cultivator and tractor.
And tractors. And
the type of manure that we are going to use is simple, like organic cow dung.
yeah.
Okay, that's best. And so what about water?
Water is the rain.
Okay, we depend on rain solely. So what about vegetables, sir?
Vegetable, cauliflowers, brinjals, and berries. Types of seasonally only.
Oxygen. Sir, and this whole field is not owned by you.
No.
This is like a group cultivation.
Good.
This whole field belongs to the villages.
Villages.
Okay, so you all farm together.
Yeah.
That okay. Thank you, sir, very much. Take care, sir. So we have come to know so much about this. So you can see there, like there are few females are also working here. Okay friends, so time to go. I'm hungry. I need to take my breakfast. This is early in the morning because during the daytime sun becomes so hot that you will see nobody here. You'll find nobody here. So this was the right time I came. It's around 6 a.m. in the morning. So I think I'll go to sleep. I'll take my tea, I'll take some biscuits and I'll go back to sleep, and I'll wake up at 8. Today is Sunday. Then I will proceed my day and I'll edit the video and I'll show it to you all. Take care, have a nice day, bye bye. Hope you learned something.